Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. We are going to share with you how we made 3 gorgeous Valentine shadow boxes for you guys. We need almost all our supplies from Dollar Tree. Only I picked out a beautiful scrapbook paper from this paper pad from Michaels. I'm cutting this piece to cover my backing for this frame that I got from Dollar Tree. We cut out these flowers from our scrapbook paper to add them into another one just because we wanted this design, but it doesn't fit into my frame, so we cut them. We are covering the backing of this frame and glue the scrapbook paper of our choice with cold glue. And the next step, we are going to be taking our frame and just run a little bit of hot glue around the corners so it holds our glass in place, so we can add our glass like that. We have the 2 pieces that we cut from the first scrapbook paper. We glue them on top of the other one or on top of the backing of this frame to give a beautiful design. Now let's talk about today's collaboration. Today's video, I am part of a new collaboration called Handmade with Love, and we are joining some of our friends for a playlist that is being hosted by our friend Kate from So Kate channel, and the co-host of this month is Jack from Jack Russell Creates channel. Don't forget to check out these 2 beautiful crafty ladies channels in my description box below, as well as the playlist where you will enjoy watching my friends making gorgeous and really pretty DIYs for this month. We are going to use this foam board like pre-cut side to create the shadow box. So we need 2 pieces for the length for our frame, and we need 2 pieces for the width for our frame. We are going to measure 1 each strip. We are measuring out our 4 strips to construct the 4 sides of our shadow box. We have 2 long pieces and 2 small pieces. Now we are going to construct this box and glue it together with the 4 strips, 2 long and 2 small. We glue each side with hot glue to make the box. Make sure that this box is fitting this frame, and we need to go on top of the backing of this frame and glue it with the glue E6000 and hot glue. Let's make the inside of this shadow box. We have this heart as a template to cut out a piece of heart from this Dollar Tree tile. Then we chase 2 lines to cut out this heart into 3 pieces, like that. We have this white chalk paint. We are going to staple that on here on these 3 pieces. We are going to do 1 coat. When it dry, we are dabbing this red ink pad on top of these pieces to make the details out of it. We have this pom-pom ribbon or ruffle ribbon. Is a decorative ribbon that features small pom-pom along its length. This can add a playful touch to our DIY, so we're adding them a piece of this ribbon, of this pom-pom ribbon, on top of these 2 pieces of this heart, and this Jenga block on the backing of each piece to give dimension to our DIY or to our hearts. Before to glue these 3 pieces of this heart, we protect this paper by adding a coat of Mod Podge. Then we hot glue each piece on top of this backing of this frame. Voila! But we did mistake. Oh la la! The backing is smaller than this box that we made because we measured the frame, not the glass. Let's fix that. Carefully, we took out this heart paper from the backing, then we glue it on top of this piece of black foam board that fit our frame. I think we fix it now. We are hot gluing this black foam board on the backing, and now it fits. Voila, voila. For to close this shadow box, we are adding this rickrack ribbon all around this heart to give a nice look to this heart. And last touch, adding this small flower on top of this heart. So cute and pretty sign. Now let's give a good coat of hot glue all around the box to close this frame. Like that. We add in these clumps to attach these pieces, and let's see how it turned out. It's a really pretty piece for Valentine's Day. What do you think, guys, about this DIY? And let me know in the comment below if you like this project. And let's jump to the second DIY. Look at these details. Beautiful, right? For this DIY, with this small shadow box that we got from Dollar Tree, we are making another cute DIY. Just follow the steps. We are removing this bacon from this glass to cover it with another scrapbook paper, kind of red flowers, to add some decor inside this pretty flowers border. We are going to be using these cute tissue paper flowers to make what? We are going to be making 3D book page hearts. We found different design of these pieces of tissue papers. Voila, we cut pieces for each design. We have 3 of them and we fold them. We need these hearts template to cut out the hearts. We are going to be tracing the heart. Then we cut out the shape to get how many hearts we're gonna see. Around 10 to get those hearts. We're gonna need 10 of them. We fold each heart in half. Then with each folding heart, we are going to be gluing another one on top with white glue. Like that, and make a booklet. Next, we are going to be gluing down the 2 sides of this 3D booklet in the center of this flower border. Then with this pom-pom ribbon, we are adding more pop-out design on top. To fit this 3D book page hearts, we need more dimension for this small shadow box. We are going to be cutting 4 1-inch strips for our white foam board to make kind of box in the backing of the shadow box. Now with this glue E6000 and hot glue, we glue these 4 strips on the backing to make a box for this frame. Voila! This shadow box is a great way to display some flowers or roses like these artificial roses that we add on the bottom of this design. Now we are adding this pearl lace to cover or to hide any imperfection inside this shadow box. And when we are done, we put our back on with hot glue. Like that. We hold the 2 pieces with this big clump. And what else? We are going to be covering around the box in the back with this cute lace ribbon to give some nice look. Let's see how it turned out. I think it's a really pretty piece. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment below. What do you think about this DIY? Look at these all details inside this shadow box. Okay, let's jump to the second or the third DIY. Let's see. Turn. Let's see. Wow. I like it. Look at details inside. Cool. For this last DIY, we are going to be making another shadow box DIY using this gorgeous vintage flowers design with this small frame from Dollar Tree. We are cutting out this scrapbook paper's flowers with another black scrapbook paper. For the background, we are gluing these 2 pieces with this white glue. Next, we have some pages from an old book to make another 3D book page hearts. We have this heart punch that we got from Michael's. It's very useful to cut out hearts as many as we want. As you see now. We are folding these hearts in half. There we are gluing each folding hearts on top another one. I hope it makes sense. To make this booklet, this 3D book heart pages like this. I like it. We glue this 3D book pages heart on the bottom. It looks like it's holding these roses. Then with this red ink pad, we are dabbing lightly on top of these pages to give some shadow to this heart. We need 4 popsicle sticks to make a shadow box. We cut the edges and making 4 strips. We glue the four pieces together to make this box. With wood glue and hot glue, we glue our design with this box to create this shadow box. This is the inside. Okay, voila. With this lace, we added some design inside, all around the inside, and some tiny flowers on the bottom to give some details to this shadow box to display this beautiful design. We hot glue this crane to make our shadow box. We are taking off these pieces from the frame, and we should hot glue the glass there so it will not move. And I'll glue in the 2 pieces together. Oh, look at this gorgeous piece. I love it. As you see, we covered around the box in the back with this cute lace ribbon to make it cute and look nice. Voila! What do you think about this DIY? And let me know in the comment below which one is your favorite. Also, if you like the content of today's video, please consider subscribing if you haven't. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching, for all your time, for all your support. And see you soon. A bientôt. Bye.